विरेश बाब तुझे एक्सप्लेनेशन दे.
Speaker sir, with your permission, I raise under the rule 281 of the rules of procedure and conduct of business to make a personal explanation regarding concerning an incident that took place on Saturday 21st February 2026 at the office of Chief Town Planner, Government of Goa. Sir, certain narratives are being circulated in sections of media and through official channels suggesting that my presence at the said office was improper or that I was engaged in conduct unbecoming a member of this house. I categorically state that I was present there strictly in my capacity as the elected member representing the people of Santandre constituency and in discharge of my legislative and on-site responsibility concerning matters of public importance relating to town planning administration. During the concern of my visit, police personnel present at the premises obstructed my functioning and proceeded to physically manhandle and forcibly attempt to evict me from the office. The incident was unexpected, unwarranted and deeply distressing. I wish to the place on record that at no point did I act in violation of law or decorum. My purpose was to seek information and ensure administrative accountability in the matters affecting my constituents. The unfortunate physical handling of my sitting members of this house while engaging in legislative public duty raises serious concern about the treatment accorded to elected representative and about respect for democratic institutions. So I am making this personal explanation not to dramatize the issue but to correct any misimpression that may have been created and to affirm that my conduct remained within the bounds of the constitutional properties. I leave it to the wisdom of this House and its preceding officers to safeguard the dignity of the members in discharge of this responsibility. Thank you, Speaker.